My name's Casper Jones, I handcraft skateboards for Life Skateboards, and you're watching Days with Casper. This is a series called Life Takes Shape, where I'm going to show you a shape we make here at Life Skateboards, and then take you through the steps I'm responsible for before we throw some graphics on them. There are a lot of shapes and options here at Life Skateboards, so when you're done with this video, head over to lifeskateboard.com and check us out. And don't forget to subscribe, you can catch me doing this work live and ask any questions you've got for me. If you catch those lives, you'll see the rest of the process, like gluing, pressing, cutting, and even graphic applications. But for this series, we're going to focus on shaping. I hope you enjoy Life Takes Shape. Today on Life Takes Shape, we got a fun symmetrical shape, the MidTwin from Life Skateboards. This was actually the first shape that I rode from Life Skateboards. It's got a length of 31.9, a width of 8.6, a 6.8-inch nose and tail, and a 14-inch wheelbase. But don't forget, you can get whatever wheelbase you want. After this video, head over to lifeskateboard.com and get yourself a life. I'm going to shut up and shape this. Well, this beautiful MidTwin from Life Skateboards is ready for graphics. Head over to lifeskateboard.com and get yourself a life. Go ahead and subscribe for me so you can catch me working live and see the rest of the process, and stay tuned for more Life Takes Shape.